Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're looking at the Husqvarna TS 248 XD lawn tractor with a 23 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This mower comes with anti-scalp wheels, along with your cup holders, storage space. We have an extra cushion seat. This seat also comes with rubber insulators to reduce vibration. We have our steering wheel that is oversized for a soft touch steering for less effort, along with our ignition, choke, throttle, and parking. This mower comes with a chokeless start for a quick turn on. We also have a cruise control to maintain consistent speed throughout the rough terrain. We have a deluxe ammeter and hour meter gauges. There is also an automatic locking differential senses on the wheel slip and locks the rear tires for increased traction. This mower comes with a 48-inch ClearCut fabricated cutting deck made of 10 gauge steel. We have our chute along with our pedals. We have a 23 horsepower fully pressure lubricated 2-cylinder Kawasaki engine with oil pump and oil filter. We have our reinforced front bumper, our high intensity LED lights. We have our pedal for our foot operated deck lift, along with our deck. We have a spout to clean your deck. This mower also has cast iron spindle housing. We have a Tuff Torq hydrostatic with automatic differential lock transmission. This mower has rugged brush guard to protect the hood of the tractor. This mower is also heavy duty 11 gauge steel frame that is equipped with rust prevention. We have a convenient electric blade engagement. We have our fuel gauge underneath our seat, along with handles on your rear and your back LED brake lights, along with our cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1.5 and 3.8. We have our fuel tank with a capacity of 3 gallons. Again, this is the Husqvarna TS 248 XD lawn tractor with a 23 horsepower Kawasaki engine. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. We also have handhelds and trailers and can make you a great package deal.